Hi there. Welcome to Photoshop Essentials for Beginners Course. In this journey together, we will unlock the creative power of Adobe Photoshop. Step by step, we will discover how to transform ideas into stunning visuals. First, we will begin with the basics on how to download and install Adobe Photoshop. Think of this as setting up your creative studio, the place where all your imagination will come alive. Next, we will dive into our first project, creating a wallpaper by merging two images. Imagine blending a sunrise with a city skyline or combining a forest with a galaxy. This is where you will see how Photoshop lets you bend reality and craft something entirely new. Then we will move on to designing a logo. Logos are more than just graphics. They are stories in a single symbol. You will learn how to shape identity, balance colors, and create something that feels professional and memorable. After that, we'll create a simple banner. Banners are everywhere on websites, social media, and events. This project will show you how to combine text, color, and imaginary into a clean, eye catching design that communicates a message instantly. Moving forward, we'll create a birthday greeting. Picture this, a personalized card, vibrant colors, playful text, maybe even a photo of someone special. This project will show you how Photoshop can add warmth and personality to your design. And finally, we'll step into the world of 3D modeling in Photoshop. Yes, Photoshop isn't just about flat images, it can bring depth, dimension, and realism to your creation. You will learn how to sculpt, light, and render a 3D object, opening up a whole new level of creativity. By the end of this course, you won't just know how to use Photoshop, you will know how to tell stories through design. Each project builds your skills, but more importantly, it builds your confidence as a creator. So let's begin this adventure. Open your mind, bring your imagination, and let's create something extraordinary together.